Let's go to page 346, start with number 1. Okay, you got 3 over a squared plus 2 over a to the 3. So first you have to do is you have to get the LCD. So in this case, LCD is going to be a to the 3. So that's your step 1. So step 2, okay, you have to get your LCD, so be a to the 3, a to the 3. So step 1, okay, identify your LCD. Step 2, get your LCD down here. Okay, step 3, figure out what you need to get from here to here. So from here to here, you need to multiply by a. So step 4, you have to multiply to get here. So a squared times a will give you a cubed on the bottom. And you have to do the same for the top. So 3 times a will give you 3a. Now for this one, you don't have to do anything, so it'll be just 2. Okay? And step 5, you can add this together. So it'll be 3a plus 2 over a to the 3. And check for, see if you can simplify. If you cannot, and that's your answer. Okay? Let's go to number 5. Okay, you have 1/2 plus 3 over x minus 5 over x squared. Okay, so you can identify your LCD. So your LCD is equal to, okay, so you have number and variable. So number is 2, and the variable, you got x and x squared, so you have to take the higher one. So that's your step 1, get your LCD. Then step 2, okay, get your LCD together. Okay, get your fraction. So step 2, okay, step 2, get your LCD down here, so it'd be 2x squared, 2x squared, 2x squared. Okay, again, make sure you get your LCD before you go on the top. Okay? And so then you go to step 3, figure out how you're going to get from here to here. To get from here to here, you need to multiply by x squared. Okay? So 2 times x squared give you 2x squared. But because you multiply the bottom by x squared, you have to do the same for the top. So 1 times x squared give you x squared. Now for this one, the second term, from here to here, you're missing 2x. Okay? So you have to multiply the top by 2x also, so you get 6x. On the bottom, you don't have to do anything. So that's your step 4. Then step 5, you just put all this together. So you get x squared plus 6x minus 5 over 2x squared. And check for factoring, and this one is not factorable, and so that's it. Okay, number 9. Okay, when you don't have fraction, you make into a fraction. So instead of just write 3, you write 3 over 1 plus 4 over y. Okay, again, so make 3 over 1. Okay, that way you get fraction. So you can step 1, get your LCD. Okay, so this will be equal to y. Okay, so step 2, get your common denominator. Step 3, see how you're going to get from here to here. You have to multiply by y. Okay, so you have to multiply by y, so you're going to get 3y. Okay, so that's your step 4. From here to here, you don't have to do anything. Okay, so again, that's your step 2, step 3. Step 3, step 4, okay? And step 5, you get all this together, so you got 3y plus 4 over y. Again, you cannot factor, so that's it, okay? Okay, number 13. Okay, you have 5 over 6x plus 1 over 3x squared, okay? So first, again, step 1, get your LCD. So the number 6 and 3, your LCD would be 6, and the alphabet would be x squared. So that's your step 1. So step 2, get your LCD down here. Again, don't do anything on the top yet. Okay, so step 2, get your LCD. Step 3, you figure out how are you going to get from here to here? Well, from here to here, you're missing the x. Okay, so you're missing the x. So you have to multiply by x for the bottom. Well, then you have to do the same for the top. So 5 times x will give you 5x. Then you go to the next term. So you got 3x squared. To get from here to here, you need to multiply by 2. Okay? So 1 times 2 will give you 2. And so that's your step 4. Step 4 is to get the numerator. Then step 5, you combine together. So you got 5x plus 2 over 6x squared. Okay, and that's it. Again, do not cancel out the x because these are terms. So you cannot do anything to it. Okay. Okay, number 17. Okay, you have 3 over a plus a over a plus 3. Okay, so you can step 1, get your LCD. Okay. Now LCD, these two are totally different. This is the alphabet and this is a group. So your LCD would be, the alphabet would be a and the group would be a plus 3. Okay. So go and get your fraction ready. So step 2, get your LCD down here. So it would be a times a plus 3. So you got a plus 3. Okay, so that's your step 2. Okay, then you step 3. Okay, you have to figure out how you're going to get from here to here. From here to here, you're missing a plus 3. So you need to multiply by a plus 3. Okay. So a times a plus 3 give you that, right? So bottom, you get that. Now the top, you have to do the same thing. So when you multiply, you have to distribute. So you're going to get 3a plus 9. Okay? So you have to multiply both the top by the same thing. Now you go to the next term. From here to here, you're missing a. Okay? You're missing the a, right? So this times a will give you that. So you have to multiply the same on the top. So you got a times a give you a squared. So that's your step 4. Then you go to step 5. Okay, you put these things together. So you're going to get a squared plus 3a plus 9 over a times a plus 3. Okay, and you can check factoring. This is not factorable, so you cannot do anything to it. Okay, let's go to 21. Okay, you have 3 over 2x plus 4 minus 1 over 2x. Okay. Okay, so whenever you see addition, subtraction, you have to think about factoring. So you got to factor as much as you can. So this one you have to factor out the 2, so you get x plus 2. Okay. So now you're ready to do LCD. Again, make sure everything's all factored as much as you can before you even think about LCD. Okay, so step 1, your LCD would be, the number is 2, the alphabet is x, and the group is x plus 2. Okay, so that's your LCD. So that's your step 1. So step 2 is get your LCD down here, so it would be 2x, x plus 2. 2x, x plus 2. Okay, so again, that's your step 2. Okay, then you go to step 3. Okay, figure out how you're going to get from here to here. So from here to here, you're missing the x. So you need to have an x over here. So that means you have to multiply the top by x also. So 3 times x will give you 3x. Okay. You go to the next term. From here to here, you're missing x plus 2. So you have to multiply the top by x plus 2. So it will be x plus 2. So that's your step 4. Okay, now step 5, you can put this together. Okay, so you're going to get 3x. So it's a subtraction, so you have to be careful. So it will be minus x minus 2. Okay, notice over here, again, it's minus 2. Okay, because you have to distribute. Then after that, you have to simplify. Okay, so 3x minus 1x will give you 2x. Okay, now don't cancel out the 2x. Okay, cannot cancel out the 2x. Okay, what you need to do is you have to do the factoring. So after you combine them, you have to factor. You can factor out the 2. Now if you notice now, you can go and cancel out the 2, right? You got a 2 here and 2 here. So your final answer would be x minus 1 over x plus 2. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's see, 25. Yeah, you get a new sheet of paper. Okay, 25. Okay, you have a plus b over b plus b over a minus b. Okay, so step 1, common factors are LCD. So number, there's no number, and alphabet is b, and the group is a minus b. Okay, so again, this is the alphabet and this is the group. So that's your step 1. Okay, so step 2, get your LCD. So you got b, a minus b, b, a minus b. Okay, so that's your step 2. Okay, and then step 3, from here to here, you're missing the a minus b. Okay, so you have to multiply the top by the a minus b also. And this is conjugate, so you're going to get a squared minus b squared. Okay, so a times a give you a squared, plus times minus give you minus, b times b give you b squared. This one, from here to here, you're missing the b. So you're going to get b squared. Now when you write this, right, make sure you give yourself enough space to write all this stuff in here. Okay? And so over here now it's addition, so you can just combine the like terms. So this and this will cancel out, so you're going to get a squared over b times a minus b. Okay? Okay, 29. Okay, you have 3 over m minus 2 minus 5 over 2 minus m. Okay. Notice this is m minus 2 and this is 2 minus m, so this is kind of reversed. Now, nice thing about this is that you can use a negative to switch the subtraction. Okay, use a negative to switch the subtraction. So now you have a common denominator, so you can just add. So it would be 8 over m minus 2, and that's it. Okay. Okay, 33. Okay, you have x minus 1, x plus 2, minus x minus 2, x plus 1. Okay, so your LCD is going to be equal to x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay, so that's your LCD. So you're going to get x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay, so step 1, identify LCD. Step 2, put down over here. Step 3, you have to see how you're going to get from here to here. So from here to here, you're missing the x plus 1. That's what you need to get. Okay, so you have to multiply. Again, this is a conjugate, so you multiply into x squared minus 1. Okay. Over here, from here to here, you're missing the x plus 2. Okay. So that's what you need to multiply. So again, you end up with a conjugate. So you're going to get x squared minus 4. Okay, now you go to step 5. Okay. So that's a subtraction, so you have to bring everything together. Okay, so you're going to be minus x squared plus 4. Okay, so watch out for this one. So combine the like terms. So this will equal to 3 over x plus 1, x plus 2. Okay. Okay, 37. Okay, you have 2x plus 4 over x squared plus 4x plus x over 4x plus 16. Okay, so again, first let's go and factor everything. Okay, on the bottom. Don't worry about the top. Do not factor the top. Just factor the bottom. Okay. So this one you can factor the x, so it would be x plus 4. On the top, you can factor the 4, so it would be x plus 4. Okay. So now you can identify your LCD. So step 1, LCD will equal to, so the number is 4, the alphabet is x, and the group is x plus 4. Okay, so number, alphabet, group. Okay, so that's your step 1. Step 2 is get your LCD down here, so it'd be 4x, x plus 4, 4x, x plus 4. Okay, so step 1, step 2. Step 3, identify how you're going to get from here to here. Okay, so from here to here, you're missing a 4. So you need to multiply by 4, right? So you can compare. So you have to multiply, so you're going to end up with 8x plus 16. Okay, you have to distribute, right? So 2x times 4 give you 8x, 4 times 4 give you 16. This one, from here to here, you're missing the x. So you have to multiply, so x times x give you x squared. Okay, and so this will equal to 4x, x plus 4, and you're going to get x squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay, and then after that, you're going to do factoring. Again, check for factoring. So this is actually the step 2, 2b. So you're going to get x plus 4 squared. Okay, but I'm going to write it out. Okay. And the x plus 4 will cancel out. So your answer would be x plus 4 over 4x. Do not cancel anything out because these are terms. Do not cancel out terms. Okay? Okay, number 41. Okay, you have y over x squared minus xy plus x over y squared minus xy. Okay, so you can first, let's go and do the factoring. So this one you can factor the x, so it'd be x minus y. Okay, on the second term, you can factor the y, so you got y minus x. Okay, but now notice this is x minus y, this is y minus x. So I'm going to use, see that the plus are 2 sticks, right? So I'm use one of them to switch. So this is equal to y over x times x minus y minus, so you can think about plus, right? Plus is made of 2 sticks, right? So I've used one of these to switch, so I end up with one left over, right? So it become y, x minus y, x, okay? Okay, so now I need to get my LCD. So LCD is equal to, okay, the number, there's no number, alphabet, you got x and y, and the group is x minus y, okay? So go ahead and get your LCD. Okay. So get your LCD down here. So it'd be xy, x minus y. Okay, xy, x minus y. Okay, then you have to figure out how you're going to get from here to here. So this one you're missing the y. So you multiply, you get y squared. So step 3, from here to here, you're missing the x. And so step 4, you multiply, you get x squared. So you end up with y squared minus x squared over xy, x minus y. So again, you have to do the factoring. So this is your step 2a. So that's your difference of square. So when you factor, you're going to get y plus x, y minus x over xy and x minus y. Okay. Now, you got x minus y, you got y minus x. So they are opposite of each other, so when you cancel out, you're going to get negative 1. Okay, so your answer would be equal to negative, and you can switch, right? Addition you can switch, would be x plus y over xy. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 45, you have x over x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2. So factor. So you're going to get x plus 2 squared. Okay. So now your LCD, okay, your LCD is going to be equal to x plus 2 squared. Okay, so get your LCD down here. Okay, so that's your step 2. Step 3, you have to figure out how you're going to get from here to here. So this one, you don't have to do anything, so leave it the same. This one, from here to here, you have to get one more, the x plus 2, so you need to get one more x plus 2. So when you multiply, you get x plus 2. So now it becomes 2x plus 2 over x plus 2 squared. Okay? And again, factor out of 2. And that's it. Nothing you can do to simplify. Okay? And that's it. Now, since you cannot simplify, if you leave your answer over here, that's fine too. Okay. Okay, 49. Okay, you have 2x over x squared plus 3x minus 4 times by x squared plus 5x minus 6 over 2x plus 12. Okay, so multiplication is a lot easier to do. Okay, so all you have to do is factor everything, and you can cancel after that. So again, I'm not going to show the detail. You should know how to do factoring. So go off to the side, do all the factoring. Okay. So it'd be okay. So again, you can go off to the side. Okay, I'm going to do it up here. Okay, so you're going to get 3, negative 4. Okay, so 1 comma negative 4, 4 comma negative 1. Okay, so you're going to get x plus 4, x minus 1. On the bottom, okay, this one you're going to get 5 and negative 6. So it'd be 1 comma negative 6. So it'd be 6 comma negative 1. So it'd be x plus 6, x minus 1. On the bottom, you have to do the step 2a, so factor out of 2, so it'd be x plus 6. Okay? Okay. Okay, next step is going to cancel things out. So x plus 6 cancel with this, 2 cancel with the 2, x minus 1 cancel with x minus 1. So you're going to end up with x over x plus 4. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, you have a squared over 5a plus 10. It's a division, so I'm going to change into multiplication and take the reciprocal. Okay, so you end up with this on the top. Okay, your next step is going to factor everything. So this one you can factor the 5, so it'd be a plus 2. Okay, this one you can, on the bottom you can factor the a, so you got a minus 5. Okay, on the top again you can go and do the master product, so you got negative 3, negative 10, right? So this one you're going to get 2 comma negative 5. Okay, so you're going to get a plus 2, a minus 5. Okay, after you factor everything, you're ready to cancel. So a squared and a cancel out. A plus 2 cancel with a plus 2. A minus 5 cancel with a minus 5. So you end up with a over 5. Okay, let's go to 57. Here you have x minus 4 over x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus 3x plus 1, x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, now addition is going to be more complicated, so you have to do like this over here to get your LCD. If it's a multiplication or division, you can just go and cancel things out. Okay, so let's go ahead and factor everything. It will be x plus 1, x plus 2. This one would be x plus 1 squared. Okay, so your LCD is going to be the group and this group to the square. Okay, so that's your LCD. Okay, you can look over here. So this one you have a common, so you take the higher one, and this one you need this one. Okay. Okay, so you can get LCD. LCD is x plus 2 and x plus 1 squared. Okay, so that's your LCD. So step 1, identify your LCD. Step 2, put it underneath here. Okay, now you go to step 3. To get from here to here, you're missing one more of x plus 1. Okay, so that's what you need to multiply. So when you multiply, you're going to get x squared. Okay, and again, Middleton came from adding, right? Okay, but if you don't know the shortcut, just go and do the FOIL method. Okay, so x squared, and then you use this multiply, then multiply, and then multiply. Okay, use your FOIL method. Again, you can go off to the side to do all the steps. Okay, this one, from here to here, you're missing the x plus 2. Okay, so again, you have to distribute, so it'll be 3x squared plus 6x plus x plus 2. Okay, so now you can, since addition, you can just go and save you one step. You can go and just add all the like terms. Okay, if it's subtraction, you have to do additional steps. Okay, so let's start with the highest degree term. So this would be 4x squared, and then the x term. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 8, minus 4 will give you plus 4. Okay, and the number would be minus 2. And you got x plus 2, x plus 1 squared. Okay, and then this one you can factor the 2, but it doesn't do any good because you cannot cancel anything with the bottom, and so this would be it. Okay, again, you always check see if you can factor and cancel. Okay. Okay, number 61. Okay, you have 2x over x plus 2 plus x over x minus 2 minus 3x plus 2 over x squared minus 4. Okay, so these are squares, you have to factor that. So this one is a difference of squares, so that's your step 2a, so you can factor into x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, so your LCD, so you can get your template ready. So from here you can see your LCD is going to be x plus 2, x minus 2. So get your LCD on the bottom first before you do anything on the top. Okay, then you go to step 3. Okay, you're going to start to figure out what you need to do on the top. So from here to here, you're missing x minus 2. Okay, so when you multiply, you can get 2x squared minus 4x. From here to here, you're missing the x plus 2. Okay, so when you multiply, you get x squared plus 2x. This one you don't have to do anything, so it would be 3x plus 2. Okay. Now, when you have subtraction, don't do like this over here. Okay, you cannot just do it because you're going to make mistakes. So what you want to do is you want to do additional step by putting everything all together. So you got 2x squared minus 4x plus x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 2. Okay, so be careful here. See, you have to distribute. So minus 3x minus 2. Okay, then you can go and combine the like terms. So this one and this one will give you 3x squared. And the first degree term, this will give you negative 5x, and the number would be minus 2. Okay. And on the bottom, you get x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, then you have to check, see if you can factor. So use your master products would be negative 5, and this would be negative 6. So 1 comma negative 6. Okay. Okay. So this works. Okay. So you're going to have x, 3x. So this would be the inside, so it would be minus 2. This would be the outside, plus 1. Okay. And you have x minus 2 and x minus 2. They will cancel out. Okay. So you end up with 3x plus 1 over x plus 2. Okay. And that's it for this one.